Hello, my people persons. Here in episode 4, we're going to be learning how to use this little nifty thing called the particle trigger. You can find it in the little monster thing with these boys. And, yeah, so, I don't know how exactly I'm going to use it in this level, but I'm just going to teach you how it works and how to use it. So, if you go to Edit Special over here by Edit Group, Edit Special, you get all this crazy stuff, okay? So first you can choose the max particles and how long they live, how long they get produced for. I just do -1 because it's just, I don't know, it just messes everything up if you don't do that. Lifetime is how long it lasts, so at 1 second, 2 seconds. Emission is how many gets produced per second. So if we do 200 emission with 200 particles, every second there's going to be 200 particles. So if we do that, now we're going to have to do like lifetime to 4 seconds or something. No, oh my gosh. So now they're just all gone. So let's just go back to 2 seconds and then double this to 400. So now there's 200 being produced every second. So it's just a full stream. Another thing you can do is this first angle thing. This one is like where they will go. So if I do 180, they'll go to the left. Normal 180 would go to the... Oh, I guess it also goes to the left. 0 goes to the right. -90 goes to top. And normal 90 goes to the bottom. The one over here, this decides like the radius of it. So if it's at 180, it's going to be everywhere. If it's at 0, it's just going to be in one direction. The speed is pretty self-explanatory. That's just how fast it's going to go. This one, I guess that's just speed in both directions. I don't really understand that one. Then post var x, that's how big you can make it. So like I can make it one tiny stream, or I can go all the way to 100, and now it's huge. And then this one just makes it how tall it's going to be. Post var y is going to be on the y angle. So now we got like this little snow. And then what we can do is the gravity. So that's how fast it's going to move in. That's just like where it's going to go. So the x, now it's going to go to the right. With the y, it's going to go down. So then the accelerat, I don't really know what it does. It just really curves it. So now we have this. That's pretty much it for this side. And then visuals, we can have start size. So we're going to put them up to 7. And then while they're existing, they'll go down to 1. And then we can also do spin. So they can start at 60 degrees, 69 degrees, and then end at 59 degrees. 56 degrees, I mean. This is just colors and everything. All this is just colors and how it will start and then end. So you can also, and then you can do this, so then it'll end a completely different color. I'm going to get rid of this gravity, because it's kind of annoying me. I'm also going to put down the speed to 0, gravity 0, and gravity 0. So now we just have this, visual, and then you can also choose the colors over here. What I do, since if they get clustered, they just become white. I make one color that you want, and then the other one black. So then if they get clustered, it wouldn't really look that bad. Extra, we got fades and friction. Friction is just like how, it's like friction in real life. And that's pretty much all I know how to do for here. And then the texture, you can just make it anything you want, really. So I'm going to do this little glow particle. And then I'm going to move it to the beginning of the level, because the last thing I'm going to show you is the advanced follow trigger. So if you come over here, and then right here, the advanced follow trigger, we're going to move it, we're going to have to put the particle trigger onto the next free, and then add it. So now we have 6, advanced follow trigger, put it to 6, and then we're going to do player 1, so then it follows player 1. And that's pretty much it. So now if we play, Yeah, so now we got this particle following you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of Deco.